Yo, ever notice your dog just sitting there, staring at the wall like it's got existential crises? Or your cat just walking around, knocking stuff over for fun? Yeah, that's boredom talking, and guess what? Bored pets equals stressed pets. Today, we're diving into why mental enrichment is the new cardio for your furry pals. Let's get it. Mental enrichment is basically a brain workout for your pets. Don't get it twisted, it's not just fetch or walks around the block. That's physical exercise. Mental enrichment is what keeps their brains active, sharp, and engaged. We're talking puzzles they have to solve, treat hunts, scent trails to track, and problem-solving games that really make them think. The goal is simple: keep their minds stimulated and prevent boredom. This isn't just about making your pets smarter, it's about making them happier too. Pets with mental stimulation are more relaxed, less stressed, and behave way better. A bored dog might start chewing up your shoes, while a cat with nothing to do could knock over everything on your counter just for fun. Mental enrichment tackles all that and keeps their energy focused in a positive way. And honestly, it's entertaining to watch. Seeing your dog figure out how to get a hidden treat, or your cat carefully navigating a cardboard obstacle course, is priceless. They feel proud of themselves, and you get the satisfaction of knowing you're keeping them healthy and happy. Mental enrichment is more than just a fun activity, it's essential for their mental health. It strengthens their brains, boosts problem-solving skills, reduces stress, and improves your bond with them. Plus, it's flexible, affordable, and you can do it right at home. So yeah, don't underestimate it. Mental enrichment is just as important as physical exercise. With regular brain-stimulating activities, your pets stay sharp, active, and much happier. It's time to give their minds some love. Let's get those furry geniuses thinking. Mental enrichment is super important because pets aren't just about moving their bodies, they need mental challenges too. Without mental stimulation, pets can get frustrated. Dogs might start chewing on random stuff, digging in the yard, or barking non-stop. Cats might start knocking things over or playing rough with anything in reach. All of that is basically their way of saying, "Hey, my brain needs something to do." Pets that get regular mental enrichment are usually more focused, calmer, and behave much better. They're less likely to panic or act out because their energy is channeled into positive activities. Mental enrichment also helps prevent destructive or dangerous behaviors, which means your house stays safer and your stuff lasts longer. On top of that, mental enrichment helps pets learn new things and develop problem-solving skills. For example, when a dog figures out how to get a treat out of a puzzle, its brain is actively strategizing. A cat figuring out how to navigate a maze or solve a challenge is getting a mental workout too. These little exercises make them smarter, more alert, and better at adapting to new situations. The benefits aren't just for pets, they're for humans too. A happy, relaxed pet makes the whole household calmer. You're less stressed because they're not creating chaos, and your bond grows stronger through positive shared experiences. In short, mental enrichment is like a vitamin for their brains. It improves behavior, reduces stress, and keeps your home peaceful. Pets are happier, you're more relaxed, and life just feels better all around. So don't underestimate mental activities, they're a key part of having a healthy, happy pet. Alright, let's talk about the main ways to give your pet's brain a proper workout. First up, puzzle toys and treat games. These aren't just some boring toys, they're like mini brain gyms. You hide treats inside, and your pet has to figure out how to get them. It's all about focus, patience, and a little trial and error. Some dogs might look straight up frustrated at first, but that's part of the fun. They're learning problem solving and cause and effect. When they finally get it, total victory dance. It's challenging, fun, and super beneficial for their brain. Next, scent and nose work. Dogs, in particular, have insanely good noses, and you can totally use that to your advantage. Hide treats around the house or yard and let them sniff it out. It's not just a game, it's a full-on mental and sensory workout. The trickier the scent trail, the more their brain has to strategize and think creatively. Cats can get in on this too, tracking hidden treats or toys, even though they're more like little stealth ninjas than sniffing machines. Third, training and tricks. This isn't just for cute Instagram vids. Teaching tricks like high fives, rollovers, or other creative moves keeps their brain active and sharp. It also strengthens your bond, because they're learning from you and getting rewarded for figuring things out. Consistent training helps with focus, responsiveness, and even discipline in day-to-day life. Basically, it's brain gains and life skills all in one. Last, social and interactive play. Hanging out with other pets, chasing a laser pointer, or playing interactive games with you is mental enrichment gold. Social play builds cognitive skills, coordination, and confidence. Pets that get these positive interactions are usually calmer, more confident, and just plain happier overall. Bottom line, there's a ton of ways to keep your pet's brain working. Puzzles, scent work, training tricks, and social play all hit different parts of their brain, but they complement each other perfectly. Mixing it up keeps things fresh, challenging, and fun. Do this consistently, and your pet isn't just entertained, they're smarter, more focused, and happier. And let's be real, a happy pet equals a chill owner. Win-win. Mental enrichment doesn't have to cost a fortune or be complicated. Tons of everyday stuff at home can turn into fun brain workouts for your pets. Stack up some cardboard boxes and suddenly your cat has a maze to navigate or a mini obstacle course to conquer. Or set up a little treasure hunt by hiding treats around the house, keeps them strategizing and using their sniff skills. You can also make instant puzzle toys with stuff you already have. A muffin tin with tennis balls covering treats? Boom, instant challenge for your dog to figure out. These DIY setups aren't just about keeping them busy, they work their problem-solving muscles and fine-tune coordination too. Creativity is key. Look around your house, bottles, towels, chairs, tables, and think of ways to safely turn them into fun mental challenges. Pets that figure it out? Total pride moment. And honestly, sometimes you'll just crack up watching their little victory dances. Bottom line, DIY enrichment is cheap, simple, and super effective. No fancy toys required, just your creativity and a few household items. It keeps their minds sharp, gives them a sense of accomplishment, and keeps them happy. And hey, you get a front row seat to all the fun, too. Mental enrichment has a ton of perks that might not be obvious at first, but seriously, they make a huge difference for both pets and their humans. First off, it makes pets happier. A brain-stimulated pet is way less stressed and frustrated. They stay calm, behave better, and are just all around more positive. A dog that gets regular brain challenges focuses better, and a cat that plays with puzzles more often? Way less likely to knock stuff off your shelves just for kicks. Second, it keeps their brains sharp and healthy. Constant mental workouts boost problem-solving skills, memory, and coordination. This is super important for older pets. They need that mental stimulation to stay alert and avoid getting forgetful or sluggish. Third, bad behaviors drop big time. A mentally busy pet is less likely to chew up your shoes, claw the couch, or knock over every glass in sight out of boredom. It's like giving their energy a purpose instead of letting chaos happen in your living room. Fourth, mental enrichment strengthens the bond between you and your pet. Teaching new tricks, playing interactive games, or setting up treasure hunts gets them learning, trusting, and feeling appreciated. Your connection becomes tighter, more fun, and just overall smoother. And here's the bonus, you get some peace of mind too. A well-stimulated pet equals less mess, less stress, and more chill vibes at home. Mental enrichment isn't just playtime, it's a long-term investment in your pet's mental health, happiness, and your household harmony. Do it consistently, and you'll see smarter, calmer, and happier pets. At the end of the day, happy pet equals happy human. Can't argue with that. Alright, that's a wrap on why mental enrichment isn't just some fancy term, it's literally a game changer for your pets. If you're ready to level up your furry friend's brain, start trying some of these activities today. And hey, I want to hear from you, what's your pet's favorite brain workout? Drop it in the comments below, let's swap ideas. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe to Philo Animals so you never miss a tip to make your pets smarter, happier, and totally entertained. Ring that bell too, because we've got more brain-boosting, fun-packed videos coming your way. Remember, a happy brain equals a happy pet equals a chill human. So get creative, have fun, and watch your pets thrive. Thanks for hanging out with me today, see you in the next one.